Chapter 2. Computer Hardware. What you'll learn. Input devices, output devices, storage devices, hybrid devices. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch or feel are called hardware. There are many different kinds of hardware that can be installed inside and connected to the outside of a computer. Keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer, etc. are some examples of computer hardware. Scanner, microphone, keyboard, mouse, input devices, printer, speakers, monitor, output devices, CD, pen drive, hard disk, storage devices, input devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Let us read about some input devices. Microphone. A microphone is used to record our own voice into the computer, which gets saved as an audio file known as recording. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. With a click of a button, the mouse sends information to the computer. Keyboard. A keyboard is also an input device. It is used for entering data and generating commands. The layout of a keyboard is similar to that of a typewriter with additional keys for other functions. Scanner. A scanner is an input device. It scans documents and images which can be imported into a computer. Code byte. A webcam is an input device. It works like a camera and enables the user to talk to anyone face-to-face through internet. Output devices. You can see the final result on output devices. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. Whatever we type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. It also displays the processed information. Printer. A printer is also an output device. It is used to get a hard copy or paper copy of a document or picture. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to sound as output. You listen to songs, speeches, etc. from the speakers. Code byte. The output that we see on the monitor is known as soft copy. The output that we take out from the printer is known as hard copy. Plotter. A plotter is used to print big sketches, diagrams and maps on long sheets of paper. They are mainly used by designers, scientists, engineers and architects. Projector. A projector projects or displays data from a computer on a large screen, surface or wall. Storage devices. All the hardware components that are used to store data are known as storage devices. CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disc Read Only Memory. It is a circular-shaped storage device. Pen drive. A pen drive is a portable data storage device. Currently available pen drives with storage capacities ranging from 8 GB to 2 TB can be used to store graphics, heavy documents, photos, music files and video clips. Hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device. It is used to store information. It is situated in the CPU box. It can store large amounts of data which can be retrieved whenever required. It holds 10 terabits memory in it. Removable hard disk is also available which can be attached to the computer externally. Hybrid devices. A hybrid device is a gadget that can do more than one thing. It can act as both an input and an output device. Smartphone. A smartphone is a gadget that lets you do many things. You can type messages, take pictures, and use apps. Input. It also shows you videos, plays music, and makes calls. Output. Headphones. Headphones are used to listen to music or sounds, output, without disturbing others. It can also have a built-in microphone to talk or record your voice, input. Smartwatch. A smartwatch can show you the time, track your fitness, and display notifications from your phone, output. It can also let you respond to messages or make calls using its touchscreen, input. Laptop. A laptop is a computer that you can use to type documents, browse the internet, and play games, input. It also displays information on its screen, plays sound through its speakers, output. Smart board. A smart board is a large interactive screen used in classrooms. You can write on it and interact with it using touch or special pens, input. It can also show videos, presentations, and diagrams, output. Key takeaways. There are 5 groups of hardware components: input devices, output devices, processing device, storage devices, and hybrid devices. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch or feel are called hardware. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Scanner is an input device. A pen drive is a portable data storage device.